23 mistakes you need to avoid in your 20s. In your 20s, you have the opportunity to explore, learn, and grow. Neglecting financial planning. One of the biggest mistakes people make in their 20s is neglecting financial planning. It's essential to establish a budget, save money, and start investing early. Building a solid financial foundation at a young age sets you up for a secure future. Ignoring personal development. Failing to prioritize personal development can hinder your growth. Invest time in learning new skills, reading books, attending seminars, and expanding your knowledge. Continuous self-improvement will open doors to new opportunities. Procrastinating on career goals. Postponing career goals can limit your professional growth. Identify your passions, set clear goals, and take consistent steps towards achieving them. Embrace challenges and seek career development opportunities. Neglecting health and wellness. Taking your health for granted in your 20s can have long-term consequences. Make exercise a part of your routine, maintain a balanced diet, and prioritize mental well-being. Small healthy habits today lead to a healthier future. Failing to network. Networking is crucial for personal and professional growth. Attend industry events, join relevant communities, and build connections. Networking opens doors to mentorship, collaboration, and new career prospects. Not traveling and exploring. Your 20s present an ideal time for exploration and travel. Don't miss out on opportunities to visit new places, experience different cultures, and broaden your horizons. Traveling nurtures personal growth and creates unforgettable memories. Overlooking the importance of relationships. Maintaining healthy relationships is vital for personal happiness. Invest time in nurturing meaningful connections with family, friends, and loved ones. Building a strong support system is invaluable throughout your life. Neglecting personal finances. Mismanaging personal finances can lead to unnecessary stress. Avoid accumulating debt, track your expenses, and save for emergencies. Developing healthy financial habits early on will bring stability in the long run. Not taking risks. Playing it safe may feel comfortable, but it can hinder personal growth. Embrace calculated risks, step out of your comfort zone, and seize new opportunities. Great achievements often require taking chances. Surrounding yourself with negative influences. The people you surround yourself with greatly impact your mindset and success. Avoid toxic relationships and surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who uplift and inspire you. Ignoring emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence plays a significant role in personal and professional relationships. Cultivate self-awareness, empathy, and effective communication skills. Developing emotional intelligence leads to better understanding and healthier connections. Not building a professional brand. In today's competitive world, building a professional brand is essential. Cultivate a strong online presence, showcase your skills, and highlight your accomplishments. A compelling personal brand can significantly enhance your career prospects. Neglecting mental health. Mental health should be a priority at all stages of life. Take time to relax, practice self-care, and seek help if needed. Prioritizing mental well-being improves the overall quality of life. Failing to set boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial for personal growth and maintaining healthy relationships. Learn to say no, establish clear limits, and respect your own needs. Setting boundaries empowers you and ensures a balanced life. Not embracing failure. Failure is an inevitable part of life. Embrace failures as learning opportunities and stepping stones toward success. Adopt a growth mindset and persevere through challenges. Neglecting personal passion projects. Pursuing personal passion projects brings fulfillment and nurtures creativity. Dedicate time to hobbies, side hustles, or creative endeavors. Exploring your passions outside of work enhances overall life satisfaction. Succumbing to peer pressure. In your 20s, it's easy to succumb to peer pressure and make decisions based on others' expectations. Stay true to your values, listen to your intuition, and make choices aligned with your authentic self. Not building a professional network. Building a strong professional network opens doors to new opportunities. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and seek mentorship. A supportive network can accelerate your career growth. Failing to adapt to change. The world is constantly evolving, and adaptability is key to success. Embrace change. Be open to new technologies, and continuously upgrade your skills. Adaptability ensures you stay relevant in a dynamic world. Neglecting work-life balance. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial for overall well-being. Prioritize self-care. Set boundaries between work and personal life, and allocate time for relaxation and rejuvenation. Not seeking guidance. In your 20s, it's wise to seek guidance from mentors or experienced individuals. Learn from their wisdom, seek advice, and leverage their expertise. Mentors provide valuable insights and support on your journey. Failing to invest in relationships. Building and nurturing professional relationships can lead to exciting opportunities. Attend industry conferences, engage in networking events, and connect with like-minded professionals. Investing in relationships can open doors to career advancements. Not enjoying the present moment. Amidst the pursuit of goals and dreams, it's crucial to savor the present moment. Practice mindfulness, appreciate small joys, and cultivate gratitude. Finding happiness in the present ensures a fulfilling life journey. Your 20s offer a significant window of opportunity for personal and professional growth. By avoiding these 23 mistakes, you can maximize your potential and set a solid foundation for a successful future. Embrace the lessons learned, stay focused, and make the most out of this transformative phase of life. Personal growth is important in your 20s as it helps you develop essential skills, gain self-awareness, and discover your passions and strengths.